This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Alan Zendt. 3-bedroom, 1-bath cabin on 10 acres in Tuscarora Forest. Building restrictions and covenants. Association fee of $100 per year toward road maintenance. Detached 10 by 24 garage for tool and ATV storage. Hiking trail along Juniata River. Rustic cabin with stone fireplace and screened-in deck to enjoy summer evenings in the mountains. Cabin furnished and ready to move in. Close to state game lands. Close to Penn State. Being sold as is with no further improvements. Cash or conventional financing only. For more information, review the details below or contact Alan Zendt at 717-436-8200.